Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for a good platform to start investing and trading cryptocurrency? Then you came to the right video, because in this video we'll be talking about WEEX or WEEX, a platform that has it all. Everything you need in the cryptocurrency industry, you will have it in this platform, available in many countries, and we will dive deep into it in the next few minutes. But first of all, this video is only for educational purposes, it's not a financial advice, and let's dive deep into it. So guys, here we are on the platform WEEX or WEEX, a new platform here for cryptocurrency investment and trading, and that's something that you might need to consider because first of all, it's available in most countries, including fellows in the US. I know it's getting quite tricky. If you're in certain states, some platforms are not available for you, but here that's available also in the US, and you can read through and scroll through and you can find that it's most likely covering the territory you're in. And as you can see here, it's well defined in front of you, well structured, everything is easy to understand, easy to flow, and it's available also on the iOS devices and Apple devices. So what makes it so unique over here? Well, first of all, you will find that it's one of the easiest to have future trading with Bitcoins or pair or any perpetual pair you might need. So as you can see here you will find the future trading in a very classical way, easy to understand, easy to execute. Things are well laid out and structured in front of you. You can open trades, you can put your margin, you can put your stop loss, you can put your take profit. Everything is easy to understand and straightforward, so you can manage your way quite easily and quite classically over here. But there is something rather important I need to touch on over here, which is the protection fund. Protection fund here, they are locking away 1000 Bitcoin just in case, meaning that the mission here is to inspire the world to embrace cryptocurrencies, and in order for them to do that, they are providing a safe and secure trading environment when trading on the platform, and WEEX is committed to maintaining an emergency insurance reserve of 1000 BTC for the users, meaning that whenever the market is fluctuating too much or there is much volatility in the market, you can be rest assured that there is 1000 Bitcoin stock away from everything. That's an emergency fund for the traders or for the users. So you can be somewhat secure enough to have some courage to jump into some certain trades, knowing that there's enough liquidity and there's enough reserve on the platform. Also, if you're good with trading, if you're experienced trader, if you know what you're doing, if you understand trading and you're well seasoned in trading, then you can go here to apply for becoming a copy trader, meaning that you can prove to them or prove that you're successful in certain trades consistently, and then you can apply for being a copy trader. And once you become a copy trader, people will follow you, and once they follow you, you can also earn percentage, and then you can also attract more people to follow your strategies. If you're successful, many people will, your success will speak for itself, and over here you can apply to become copy trader or a trader, and people can follow your strategies. And here you can share your unique trading strategies with 1 million users at WEEX and earn gorgeous profits and exclusive privileges. Of course, when people are following you and applying your strategies, you get commissions for every trade or every execution that's happening, but that's only if you're an experienced trader. So my humble advice for you, start looking at trading, start understanding trading. You don't have to jump in with major amounts at the beginning. No, you have to understand it. You have also to understand the risks coming with trading, so it's not a win-win situation. No, sometimes trading can be very tricky and can be very, very risky. You can win a lot of money, and you can also lose all of your money if you're not careful with trading. So my humble advice for you, just understand it before you jump into it. That's in any form of investment and in any kind of things related to money or cryptocurrency. Understand that there is volatility and there is a certain profile of risk involved in everything. So going back to the platform over here, you will find that, as I'm telling you, things are well structured in front of you, and they're also running some rewards, meaning that you can have up to $5,500 when you sign up, and that's a reward right away, and that's running over here. So you can inform yourself more about this offer, and you can grasp it, you can understand it, and you can see the terms and conditions. If it's suitable for you, you can go for it. So as you can see here, also at a glimpse, you can have what's going on in the market. You can have a look at BTC. BTC is going down, and you can start either trading or not. But here it's also worth mentioning that once you use the link in the description. You will get 20% off, and you would be already in a good position here because you're getting 20% as a discount. So my humble advice for you, again, understand what's going on. If you're willing to trade anyway, then I would say give it a go and understand it more and deepen your knowledge, and then have the jump in the cryptocurrency industry, because the market right now is in a state where it's starting to move again. It's kind of neutralizing and then will start to move again. So as you can see, it's a good opportunity. I'm not going to say it's a golden opportunity, but it's a good opportunity for you to have a look at the market and understand what's going on, and probably Bitcoin will change and reverse and go towards the upside. So now might be a good position for you to start at least considering investing or trading a cryptocurrency, especially BTC. So here we can have another glimpse why to choose WEEX. Compliance operations, protection funds, smooth experience, safe and reliable. Of course, safety is paramount over here. Smooth experience in a very classical way. As I'm telling you, you can open the trading platform and you will have the same familiar classical way. So things are not moving around, things are not really scattered all over the place. No, it's structured, it's well defined, and everything can be easy to find. And as you can see here, also compliance operations, meaning that they are licensed from the US MSB and the Canadian MSB and St. Vincent SVGFSA. No idea what that stands for, but there are licenses over there. So it's also worth mentioning that you shall look it up and understand the licensing in your territory or your country, and see if that's applicable for you or not. And as you can see here, that's the academy, how to sign up, how to deposit, how to copy trade tutorial as well. As I'm telling you, many people are copy traders over here, so you can jump in, you can start surging your way around, just following some people's strategies until you understand it and you grasp the market. Then you can apply your own, and you can even excel further and further. And here you can scan a QR code to download it. You will find it on iOS apps, you can find it on Android, you can find it on App Store, or even you can use it here as a PC application. And here they're mentioned in many big names in the market: CoinGecko, Bloomberg, Binance, and they're having a lot of collaborations upcoming as well. So as you can see, they have a lot of social media presence. You will find them here on Twitter. You will find that they're having almost 30k followers on Twitter and growing. So the community is relatively fresh and relatively confined. So you can have a look at the community. You can ask questions, you can just interact with people whenever you have anything in mind. You can just ask, and people are more than happy to help you and assist you. So all in all, it's a good opportunity for you to start thinking about the cryptocurrency market right now. And it's also a good opportunity for you to have a good platform that offers you a good trading fee offers and good trading advantages and perks, and also sign up bonuses as this one here. So it's reliable, it's safe, and it's also quite interesting to start considering the cryptocurrency right now. But of course, as I'm always telling you, understand the market first, do your own due diligence, do your own learning and study, and understand the risks that come with any form of investment in the cryptocurrency. So here that can be a very good start for you, and I would highly recommend you to have a look at what's going on and understand it at least from a distance, and then make up your mind whether you want to invest or not. But generally speaking, a lot of advantages, a lot of potential here in the market. And I mean, regardless of this red candles right now or the red slope right now in the cryptocurrency market, nothing will be forever, and things will start picking up again and the market will turn green. So it can be presenting a good opportunity for you to start at least considering BTC. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about WEEX or WEEX. I told you all about it and how easy it is to start and to get cracking with cryptocurrency investment or trading. So my humble advice is just keep yourself more informed, check the links down below, understand the concept more, and see what kind of opportunities that might be suitable for you. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and also have a look at the videos in the upcoming section, and hit the subscribe button. And until next time, bye bye.